the Q4 multiplier book concept. So what exactly is that? All you're doing is you're taking, for example, one of your best-selling books and you're adding a Christmas twist to it. That's it, right? If you have a book that's selling great all year round, make another version of it, but apply a Christmas twist to it. Now, this might not work for every single niche, but it does work for the majority of them. Some are going to be easier than others. And if you want to figure out how to make this work, all you got to do is go to AI and say, hey, I'm trying to create a new book based around a Christmas theme. My book topic is this. What can I do to create a new book that would be more focused for Christmas to help blow up my Christmas sales? And guys, this has worked every single year I've done this. And I'm not saying, like, what you should never do is take your existing book and like change the cover and add a Christmas theme to the cover. Like, don't do that. We don't change what's working. But taking that existing book and turning it into a Christmas themed book or a holiday themed book and adding that as another asset to your catalog. Is it going to do anything for the rest of the year? No, but who cares about the rest of the year? We're only focused on Q4 and making as much money as possible for Q4. Now, those of you who made it to the end of this video, good on you. If you're serious about Q4 and you want to maximize your returns, if you're looking at saying, hey, over the next few months, I would like to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in profit over Q4, I got something for you. I'm going to be working with 15 publishers and running what's called the Q4 Ads Accelerator, where I'm going to be working with these individuals and doing weekly calls with them all throughout the entire holiday season. That's 10 years of experience where I'll be looking at your ads and your KDP account every single week and helping you adjust and readjust everything in order for you to get the maximum amount that you can out of Q4. Now, this is only available to current Publishing Academy students. So if you're already a student, you can go onto the dashboard and you can go click on this and apply and book a call with me, and we'll talk to see if it's a good fit. If you're not a Publishing Academy student and you want to sign up, there's going to be a direct link to the order page so you can click sign up, and then you can go onto the platform, you can book a call with me and go. Now, there's going to be a couple caveats. This is not for somebody who hasn't published a book yet and is making no money with Amazon. I do want you to be around $1,000 a month. I don't care if it's profit or gross sales, but I do want you making some money already because we are going to be moving fast during this Q4. And I need you to be a little bit up to speed already. Second is, it's not for brokies. You need to have anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000 that you want to invest in coaching and in ads over the holiday season as well. There will be multiple different types of payment options to help you get started as well. That'll be something we'll be talking about on the calls. But like I said, I'm capping this at 15 people. We already have one sign up as we just launched this the other day. You can see from my trusty thermometer there. Yes, I tie my kids into everything I do in business. So once again, this is only for Publishing Academy students. If you're not a student, you can sign up by clicking the link in the description there. And if you are, you can just go ahead and book a call with me by going to the Ads Accelerator section inside the course. Other than that, everybody, I really, really, really want you to crush it this holiday season. We're going to see publishers doing bigger numbers than we've ever seen before this year. And I am so excited to help you crush it as well.